Raffle time! Who wants to win a little bike? Do you want to win a bike? Who is number 2? Winner is number 2. All right, give me a round of applause one more time.
My name is Matt Newton. I am the City Councilman for District 5, but I just wanted to mention just how wonderful the concept of merging a laundromat with a space like this is and what it really means to the community. And there's no better way, I think, when we're talking about the chores that we all have to engage in, like laundry, to be able to merge that with something as important as early childhood education.
I'm the Chief Librarian for the Charlotte Mecklenburg Library. We're really excited to be partnering with you today. So we're excited to bring reading, bring play, bring enjoyment to the chore of laundry. But I remember growing up as a kid when I would go to the laundromat and I would have a car full of books in our car and we would just go and read while we sat there and waited for laundry to dry.
The Pride Laundry Association and all its members are excited about transforming our industry. One where it's not just about laundry anymore. It's about connecting with the community. 1, 2, 3.
As we start to spread Laundry Lab across the country, we're going to have a Read, Play, Learn Center in every single franchise location that we build.
We're here with Melanie. So Melanie, you're doing your laundry today. You're a regular patron of the laundromat here.
Yes, I am.
What was your experience today?
Awesome. No other words to describe it. Awesome. I actually think today is a very good day. I come here all the time to do my laundry, but it does help out, especially with the COVID and everything going on about getting our clothes washed. So I greatly appreciate it.
Hey man, we this most fun
I
we
was
had
just talking about that TV.
all week. Have fun, man. We'll come back.
Oh, I love it. I got off work early just to get free laundry day.
Oh, all right. Why do you come to Laundry Lab when there's other choices in
I
laundry?
come here because the employees are very nice, very respectful, and it moves quickly.
Okay.
I've never had a problem with my clothes not being dried or anything because one is close to my house, but it's very clean. They're very people friendly, so I love coming here.
Good attendance here, nice, clean. I love it.
So I've been doing Laundry Cares event, free laundry days for a long time, but Tiffany set a record. I want to guess 50 laundry bags. So Tiffany, I want to ask you, do you come to this laundry regularly?
I do.
Okay, and do you always bring this much laundry?
Today was a little bit more. I recently had a flood in my unit, so I had to wash everything. I definitely was appreciative today for coming in, because I was expecting to spend a pretty penny, and I was able to wash everything for free. So thank you so much for that.
Absolutely. No, this is exactly why we do events like this, to give back. And something we didn't even know about. We're helping her through a flood, a small, tough time in her life. And these are the small things that allow us to give back and have a happy customer for life.
By a show of hands, how many had fun today? Raise your hands! Woo!
Thank you guys for coming. It really means a lot. We never really thought when we were building a laundromat how much impact that we'd have. We're looking to give away 1 full year of free laundry for one lucky customer. All right, drum roll. And the winner is Sergio. Sergio. Hey. Sergio's been coming here for years.